CPS bosses admitted Prince Philip could still face prosecution despite surrendering his driver's license after a file into his crash was passed on to the Crown Prosecution Service. If charges are brought, then the Queen, who is the embodiment of British law, will be technically taking action against her other half. All legal cases are framed as Regina v. the defendant, so in this case it would be Regina v. Philip Windsor. A Crown Prosecution Service spokesman said the incident file will be reviewed exactly as it would be for any other British citizen as they consider whether to charge Prince Philip. But he added the CPS will take into account the fact that the Duke of Edinburgh gave up his license. The 97-year-old was driving his Land Rover Freelander when his car flipped over as he pulled out onto a busy road and collided with a Kia. The Kia was carrying a 9-month-old baby, his mother and another passenger. The prince escaped the crash uninjured, but Emma Fairweather broke her wrist and called for the Duke to be prosecuted if he was found to be at fault. At the time of the crash, celebrity lawyer Nick Freeman said the Duke of Edinburgh could be prosecuted for driving without due care and attention, which carries an unlimited fine. But the lawyer, dubbed Mr. Loophole, said he could avoid prosecution by surrendering his license. In a letter sent on January 21, Philip wished Ms. Fairweather a speedy recovery and said he failed to see the car coming. He blamed the low, bright sun for obscuring his vision, adding he was very contrite about the consequences. The crash did not put Philip off driving immediately, however. Just days after the crash, he was photographed at the wheel of a replacement Land Rover not wearing a seatbelt. Police gave the prince suitable words of advice and said any appropriate action would be taken if necessary. On Saturday, a statement from Buckingham Palace said, after careful consideration, the Duke of Edinburgh has taken the decision to voluntarily surrender his driving license. Norfolk police confirmed Philip had voluntarily surrendered his license to officers. In a statement, they said, Norfolk police can confirm that the 97-year-old driver of the Land Rover involved in the collision at Sandringham on Thursday, 17 January 2019 has today, Saturday, 9 February 2019, voluntarily surrendered his license to officers. We will follow the standard procedure and return the license to the DVLA. The investigation file for the collision has been passed to the Crown Prosecution Service for their consideration. Mrs. Fairweather said undoubtedly the roads will be safer now after Prince Philip gave up his license. She added, it won't have been easy for him to make as it is a loss of independence. But he can work around it.